Turn precision and craftsmanship into a career with auto body and collision repair.
I'm Craig Dickerson. I'm the program coordinator for the Collision Repair Technology program. We focus strictly on collision repair. So we focus on painting, structural repair, mechanical and electrical components, and non-structural repair.
I actually really enjoyed the collision repair program at WKCTC. I had a blast while I was there. The program actually will teach you the basics and get you your certs to get in the door with a collision shop. I learned how to weld. I also learned how to do your basic body work, which will turn into doing full cars. Also learned paint work and prep work, which is the most important step of doing any of this.
In order to be successful and thrive in collision repair, really needs to have passion for vehicles, a passion for cars.
A lot of these shops around here are desperately looking for techs to fill these older people's places that are retiring. It's in more demand now than it ever was.
We build vintage cars and modern vintage cars. Modern vintage cars are where you take a new chassis car and you put an older looking body kit on it. They look pretty cool. I get to wake up and I get to come here, I get to cut up with all my coworkers, have a good time, get to build cool cars. Like, this job is all around a wonderful environment to be in. Everybody's fun, they keep it cool.
I think it's a great field. I like automobiles. I mean, they've always interested me. I like fast cars. I like big trucks with big tires. I like all that. It's just fun. I like making things look good, trying to get something back to its original state, putting it back like it was. It's kind of an art.
We have several different avenues that you can take. We have strictly technical training, or we also have an associate's degree. So if someone's wanting to go into the business side, possibly insurance adjusting or something like that, I would recommend the student get the associate's degree. We offer a credential that is just the technical courses only. Basically, we kind of tailor the program to whatever the individual wants. There's an option for it. So I want to thank you for your interest in the collision repair program here at WKCTC. If you have any questions about the program, I am more than willing and available to help you. Just reach out to me and I'll help you with what I can.
Do more, be more, earn more.